Hi, I'm Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time, we're going to talk about how to set up the Hubitat C5 hub with the Monoprice 11995 Smart Outlet. Now, this is one that I really hadn't thought about doing, but this has got something very interesting. So before I get too much further, I want to show you. Now, where most of the smart outlets will block an outlet and that's it, this one is different. This one has a Z-Wave controlled outlet and then a non-controlled outlet. Now, what got me interested in doing this one is when I was getting ready to install the Sylvania LED strip over my kitchen sink, and I thought, okay, I've got an outlet that I can go use, but here's the problem. I'm now going to lose one of my two outlets right at the sink. Well, with the Monoprice 11995, and this is a nondescript item, there's no branding on it. You can just see the box says Z-Wave plug-in and no other branding. So it's very reasonably priced. I think it was about $15 I paid for it. So, but don't take that as gospel because we all know how the prices can change on Amazon. So this really is something that got my attention because I'm going to use the non-controlled outlet for the Sylvania LED light strip, and that will leave me the control outlet available for something else. Because look at it this way, why would you put the Sylvania light strip in the controlled outlet? Because that means you would have to turn on the outlet and then turn on the light strip. So, the answer is, or the question is, why? Now, this video is also going to be available as an Amazon flash briefing or podcast. Please go to techbiteswithronnutter.com for more information. For any items mentioned, there are affiliate links in the description. If you click on these links, I will get a small commission, but that won't affect the price you pay for the item. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please click on subscribe and enable notifications. If this video helps you or provides value, please click on the like button for thumbs up. So let's go ahead and get started. So we've already got this in play. So let's go ahead and we'll just put it in our handy dandy outlet strip. If I turn it around the right way, because this is a 3-plug connection we've got to go make, and we'll manually go turn it on. It was just a slightest click there that you probably didn't hear, but it was right on top of me. So now we will tap on devices, and got too many things in the process here. So let's get this. Don't need to see that white box anymore. So we'll tap on Z-Wave, and we will tap on the Z-Wave, start Z-Wave inclusion. Now this one, like if you've seen some of the other Z-Wave items, this can either be something that it discovers very quickly, or it just may take its sweet time. And it seems like the average from the ones that I have set up, that it just is going to, it seems like 20 to 30 seconds, but sometimes we have to go in and cycle the item more than once, and we're just going to see it. But as we all know, technology is great when it works, and it's not their fault that things may be a little slow on discovery. So we're about to end up at the end of the counter. Let's give it just another second here to happen. And okay, it did not work, so we're going to cycle it and restart. So hopefully this time it will, start Z-Wave, start Z-Wave inclusion. I thought hitting the restart would have done that, but it didn't. So let's go ahead and, there we go. It's, okay, so it found it. So now it's just going to take it a little bit to find, okay, good. All right, so as you can see, sometimes you got to get creative on how you do it. So we'll just call this Monoprice 11995. And obviously there's better names that you can give it, but you know, we're just getting started here. So now if we go back to devices, now you see that there, it's found as a generic Z-Wave outlet. And we will turn it off, on. Okay, and I should have put a bulb on there, but there is clicking going on in the background. And plus you see the state right there under current states where it says switch on and off. So that is confirming, and I like when you have that kind of feedback that you know what's going on. So now we'll go on over here to dashboards, and we'll go to studio. And see, this is what happens when you've uninstalled something and you don't clean up your tiles. You have one where it's a question mark. It doesn't know what to do. So let's go ahead and we'll go down here. There's the Monoprice 1195. And there should be one down here called outlet. There's quite a few options there. Okay, there we go. Outlet. All right, and then let's go all the way down here, add tile. And if we back out all the way, go here, and okay, now that's interesting because we were controlling it before. Okay, Monoprice 1195. I bet you that was where I might have hit the screen the wrong way, or in a place it wasn't expecting it. So now outlet and Monoprice, and close. All right. Well, let's just do a little troubleshooting here. Okay. There we go. Now, let's go see what we've got here. Okay, let's just delete this tile. You know, I think we're at that point. Oh, no, that was the problem. Okay. Okay, there we go. So lesson learned on that one is you can't go by what's there. You have to tap in the field, and we'll minimize the keyboard. And then that seems to make it a little bit happier. And okay, yeah, so that's much better. So that's just, sometimes it's just the quirk of things. It could be the particular driver that's being used. And on the other hand, it might just be something that was because I'm the particular smartphone that I'm on. So that really is, that's nice when it works that way. And you saw how to do a little bit of troubleshooting, and just sometimes even you may have selected the item, it may not have realized that you've selected it. So like I said, the main reason I picked this device is because I'm going to be using it with the Sylvania LED light strip that you saw me do a video on. And that way I can use it. I won't necessarily lose an outlet, but yet because I'm using a device such as the Monoprice, and it seems to have a pretty healthy relay in it, that means I can put something like, well, something's got a little bit of current draw to it, whether it be a radio in the kitchen. If I don't know that I put a Instant Pot on it, because those can pull quite a bit of power, but at least it keeps it. You don't sacrifice an outlet to get everything up and running. So give this one a try. It's definitely worth the price, and I think that you'll be pleasantly surprised with it, because other than the little quirk on getting it discovered and getting the icon to work within the dashboard, and let's face it, stuff happens, and we all know that. So with that, you're going to see videos to my right or to my left, and those are going to be videos that are either next in this series or ones to other content that I've produced. If this video helps you or provides value, please click on the like button. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please click on subscribe and enable notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.